little sweat. Everyone got understeer there. Oh shit! Oh, this road. I am no big fan of this road. Announcement. Not doing it. There we go. Tell me if you got
Yes,
something.
yes, yes.
Okay. What the fuck?
This one.
Oh, we got an RS3. I should have took it. Alright.
Gustavkti, you recording now?
Yeah, actually.
Oh, that's nice.
Voice on Discord?
Huh?
He said,
record
you
voice
record them
on
voice
Discord.
Yeah, it's probably coming with, yeah. If I decide to put out the video. These brakes are quite anomalous.
Oh, that RS3. I hope it's an RS3. Or it might be the M140, I don't know.
I think it's a
Because I know there's an RS3.
yeah. So what?
I'm really staying on your boat. Kind of got on the oversteer there.
Sure, we'll go.
Oh shit.
So you go right here. Okay.
Yeah, show off.
Get a curve.
Wait.
Yeah, I'll take you on the straight line though, don't you
Yeah,
worry.
right. Yeah, right.
Oh shit, I just got an oversteer. Safe. Are we taking a right up here?
Well, actually,
Or we can turn around. Yeah, let's turn around.
just right now.
Right?
Yeah.
I'll wait for you to go in front of me. Just go in front of me.
No, it doesn't matter. Yes.
Woo! Most skills.
Just go.
You did say just go, so I had to press it. Oh my god, I'm gapping everyone. 270.
Stairs up.
Better speed up because everyone's like doing 200 now. I bet you. I'm doing 160. Waiting for him. Yeah. Not anymore.
250. German highway.
The autobahn.
Bruh. I can only go to 70. The fuck?
Oh yeah, you probably got short gearing, didn't you?
Wait, brake. You need to kind of brake here.
Yep.
I'm just letting you know. Around 160. I want you to go in front of me now. Enough of me. Oh shit! Isn't that great? Oh, I had the GT2 RS behind me and a Lamborghini. I thought it was you behind me. There you are. Oh shit! I'm so sorry. I thought I've got traction off. Wait, traction on. So I thought it would have actually did a little wheel spin for me there. taken everyone here. Oh my god, look at this M140i, the little sweat. Alright, I'm sorry, there you go. That's all you're getting. And now, oh.
Nice one.
I was just gonna say now it's just you and me. You little sweat. Oh shit.
Yep, okay, then yeah.
But when the turbo of this swools up, it is absolutely mental. How are you driving so good? Like, all my days I got understeer.
This is a boat, but it drives me. I can't describe it.
Like when I tried drifting in Assetto, it's so much harder.
Don't have traction.
It's alright, fine. There we go.
I don't.
No, but like when I tried drifting, oh, what the fuck? What? Nah. What am I doing here then?
I don't get it. When I drive straight, the car has no grip, and when I try to drift,
Oh,
I
thank
have,
you.
I
The
have
Ferrari
grip.
saved me. Thank you.
I have grip like a Formula 1 car.
Yeah, the
you
handling
so
on
much.
the 335i is weird. I agree.
The Ferrari is a very nice dude.
3, 2, 1.
What the fuck? Yeah, don't.
Slide it out this time. I don't have the turbo power.
You've got the naturally aspirated power though, and it sounds absolutely insane.
Yep.
I'm gonna take this Huracan. I promise you I will.
We'll get the M3.
Oh, I'm so sorry to everyone that I just fucked up, but I'm trying to take this fanatiC. I know you're supposed to be driving like a good driver, but I am quite competitive. Taking the RS3, oh the RS3 just gave up. Bro, everyone just shut off. What the fuck? Everyone got understeer there. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yep.
Bro.
Yep.
No.
What the fuck? I'm on the train tracks. Oh, yep. Whoever's M3 that was, I'm sorry.
It's the M4.
Oh, M4. I'm gonna take you out the way. Maybe I should've known.
Karma? In Germany we say karma.
Yeah, I guess so. This is such a track-based car. Oh my god. Everyone just crashing here. I just started like a pro. Yep. Everyone hold up. I'm trying to catch up to you. Oh my god. Yep. You can see why I have traction on.
what track you guys would add to this track. I mean this map is a combo of several maps.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's correct.
What track would you add?
Why did everyone go left here?
You guys know
Oh, I've never been on this one.
Aspartame or Aspartame?
Good idea.
Maybe this would be nice here.
I think that turbos, like turbo cars here, are just a little too much.
Maybe not the F12.
Yeah. Me too. The 720S. I'm pretty sure it's rear wheel drive. Oh, this road. I am no big fan of this road. I'm just getting gapped by everyone. Let's go on the motorway so I can gap people.
We are at the
Yeah, don't worry. Wait, where do you live, America?
Huh?
Where do you live? Oh, don't use American names. Right, everyone's getting gapped. I'll give you the gapperoni. Oh shit, maybe I should have not said that. Yeah. Oh, come on.
The gas station after this.
I'm a spawn again. Well, isn't that crazy? While I'm here, I'll just change the car again. Right, let's see what's available. Civic Type R's. Oh, my share screen stopped for it. And then
I'll change card.
oh, the GC3 RS. I'm tempted. I am tempted. GC63.
Jesus, I want the M3.
The
G63.
M3. Yeah, you can get it.
G63.
You can get it. The M3 F8CCS. You can get it. The ones you.
Yeah, but the M3 F80 is hard to drift through. I want something to drift.
Oh, 675. Oh, should I get the E63 AMG? Is that a good car?
Take.
Yeah, it looks great.
Okay.
Very nice connection.
Announcement. Can't do anything.
Or take the duty free. I take the duty free. The open ones. You.
You